Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Today we'll be using Blue Demon's 6013 rod in 3/32. Here at Blue Demon, we have 1 pound, 5 pound, and 50 pound assortments available in 6013. The AWS classifies the 6013 welding rod as a 60,000 pound tensile strength, all position, meaning flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead, with a high titanium potassium flux coating. Producing shallow to medium penetration, the 6013 welding rod can be run on AC or DC power sources. Some typical applications for 6013 include general purpose fabrication, metal buildings and structures, and machine parts. For a 3/32 6013 rod, I'll set the Blue Demon Blue R 200 STI welding machine at 80 amps. 6013 is so easy to use, you can do it blindfolded. As you can see, 6013 has easy slag removal and provides excellent cleaning action during the welding process. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.